Guys, may sticker na tayo. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Paano nga ba ako nagkaroon ng sponsor sa stickers? So kung natatandaan nyo, may video ako na pinost before na may nanghihingi sa akin na rider ng stickers. But that time, I can't give anything yet kasi wala pa naman ako nahahanap na mapapaprintan. So, pinost ko yon, wala lang, someone asked for sticker. So nakakatuwa lang. And then after posting that, marami palang gusto. Ang daming nag-PM sa akin na nanghihingi sila ng sticker. Didikit daw nila sa laptop nila, sa motor nila. I feel so touched and that's so unexpected. Big shout out to Miss Abby De Leon. She commented in my video. Tapos, ang sabi niya doon, she's willing to sponsor copies of stickers. So, at first, nahihiya talaga ako kaya hindi ako nag-reply doon sa comment niya na yon. I just sent her a direct message. Think of how much sa ganitong karaming piraso. But she insisted that she will sponsor copies. And nagpo-provide siya ng stickers sa mga sikat or iilang sikat na motovloggers. Like, I know for some, sikat sila guys. I'm very, very blessed na makita niya ako sa FYP niya. Tapos, yung willingness niya to help and sponsor me copies. You know, I insisted to pay her, like her service, the printing, and etc. Pero ayaw niya talagang tanggapin. So, papakita ko na lang dito yung clip na nagkita kami. I pick up the copies of stickers or the stickers sa bahay talaga nila. And then, yun lang yung kaya kong mabili that time. Wala na akong ibang mabilhan. Sobrang bait mo talaga, Miss Abby De Leon. Maraming salamat. I know hindi mo ko kilala in person, but the thought that you are believing in me, sobrang nakakataba po ng puso. And sa lahat ng mga nanghihingi ng stickers, guys, the wait is over. Pwede na ako makapagbigay ng sticker sa inyo. I'm so happy and thank you sa support nyo guys. Nakakatuwa lang. Small content creator lang ako and affiliate. But I believe in God's time. Marireach ko din yung dream ko na yun. Miss Abby, if you are watching this, sobrang thank you po. Guys, please follow and support her business, Abby Printing Services. If you need something na ipapaprint, just reach out to her. Slide her a DM. Ma'am, maraming salamat talaga. For sure, God will shower you more and more blessings.